Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we started the formula of simple compounds. Before that, we discussed about while writing the chemical formula, we have to follow some rules. We discussed the rules and formula of simple compounds also we discussed. In that, hydrogen chloride formula and hydrogen sulfide and carbon tetrachloride we discussed. I given the magnesium chloride. So now I am going to discuss from the magnesium chloride and aluminum oxide, calcium oxide. Okay, these are the symbols. How can we write with charges and valencies? Already first rule is there. What is the first rule? The valencies or charges on the ion must balance. Based on first rule, I will give the some examples. Okay, first we have to discuss about the magnesium chloride. In the last class I given, all are sent to the answer also. Okay, what is the formula of magnesium chloride? MgCl2. Okay, here based on the charge I will discuss MgCl2. Okay, valence is also important and charge also important. First rule, what? The valencies are charges on the ion must balance. Okay, based on that rule, magnesium chloride, magnesium symbol, what is the symbol of magnesium? Mg symbol, Mg, and chlorine symbol Cl, and valency or charge. Here we have to take the charges. Once you have to observe the table, in the table magnesium charge is a +2. Magnesium charge is a +2, and chlorine charge, chloride charge -1. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, hydride, these are the I given -1 charge in that table. Once you have to check the table. Okay, if we take the valency also, chlorine valency is a 1, magnesium valency is a 2. But here I am taking the charge also we can consider, or valency also we can consider. Okay, if we take the valency also 2 and chlorine also 1 will come. But here I am taking the example based on the charges. Okay, now Mg +2, Cl -1. Then what we have to do? Crisscross. Okay, after the crisscross, what will happen? Mg only 1, chlorine 2. Then how can we write the formula of magnesium chloride? Mg, how many Mg's? Only 1 only. Okay, Mg 1. What about the chloride ions? Chloride ions 2, MgCl2. This is the formula of magnesium chloride. Okay, here once you have to observe, the first rule says the charges on the ion must balance. Here how it will be charged? Chlorine is a -1 is there, here +2 is there. Okay, here chloride is a +2, magnesium is a -1 is there. How it will be +2 and -1? How it is neutral? That it is not a neutral. That's why only single chlorine, if we have to take the single chlorine, means it is not a neutral. How many chloride ions we retain? 2 chloride ions we retain. Each chloride ion is a -1. Each chloride ion is a -1. Then Mg +2. Here 2 chloride ions is there, -1, -1. This is a -2. What about the magnesium? Already I given magnesium is a +2. Here -2, +2. It is a neutral. Okay. Okay, for magnesium chloride, which is a cation? Mg +2. Mg +2 is a cation. For magnesium chloride, we write the first symbol of cation Mg +2. First followed by the symbol of anion. Which is anion? Chloride, Cl-. Then their charges are crisscrossed to get the formula. Okay, we write the symbol of cation first followed by the symbol of anion. Then their charges are crisscrossed to get the formula. And here in magnesium chloride there are 2 chloride ions is there. How many chloride ions is there in magnesium chloride? 2 chloride ions is there. In magnesium chloride, magnesium chloride there are 2 chloride ions is there. There are 2 chloride ions is there. Cl minus. Okay, there are 2 chloride ions is there. For each magnesium ion, for each magnesium ion symbol Mg plus 2. For each magnesium ion, the positive and negative charges must balance each other. For each magnesium ion, the positive and negative charges must balance each other. Okay, the positive and negative charges must balance each other, and the overall structure must be neutral. Once you have to check that overall structure MgCl2, it is a neutral. How it is neutral? Here -2, here +2. So overall neutral. Note that in the formula, the charges on the ions are not indicated. The charges on the ions are not indicated. Okay, see here in magnesium chloride there are 2 chloride ions is there. Okay, Cl minus. For each magnesium ion, for each magnesium ion there are 2 chloride ions is there. Okay, so one is the positive and negative charges must balance each other, and the overall structure must be neutral. The positive and negative ions must balance each other, and overall structure will be neutral. Okay, so we did not mention the charges on the ions. This is about the magnesium chloride. So in the same way, with the charges, I will give some example: aluminium oxide and calcium oxide. Okay, you have to try to solve the aluminium oxide and calcium oxide. These two are you have to try to solve. Okay.